Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Friday, March the 24th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And before I start, well, this one will be number 6168. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, a single box, always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes then. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No. Yeah. We have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes, the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. So this box is a 4 or a 5. Same for here. The inside box, or the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Quadra boxes then. Next question, do we have quadra boxes? I see here only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait for more information. Insufficient information right now. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. Let me draw the Z or the S construction. Yeah. When you see this Z or the S construction, this is the S. If you flip this and rotate this, you will get the Z. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. A 2. But in this S or Z construction, this box has also the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one S or Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Mirrored. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape mirrored here, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes? Let me check. No, only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. 4 or a 5, okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only... Oh! L shape. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box, but I've already filled in, so no problem. And yeah, those are the shapes, the figures, the structures or constructions that you need to recognize. We have here only 3 of them, maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. One number left here in the L shape should be the 2. 1, 2, yeah. All right, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. Then this box can be a 2, because we have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need to wait here, need to wait. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. Need a 2 here, okay. 1. 5. Well, one of the missing number in this S construction is the number 5. I cannot place the 5 here because we have a 5 here. So the 5 could be here or could be there. If I place the 5 there, then this box is connected with that box. We also have 5, but we already have a 5 there. So it can be there, the 5. The 5 is supposed to be here then. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, and should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore, because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here also. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So I've eliminated 1, so the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 digit left, 1 box left for the 2, should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Oh, need to wait again. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 4. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 4. is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. So the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be 2. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then. Oh, 5 here. Yeah, let me think. I think this box can be a 2 or a 4 because we have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with double 2. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. That's a pair. Need a 2 here. Yeah. I need a 2 in this area. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 over there. So the only place left for 2 should be here. So a pair is left in this area, the 4 and the 5. Okay, 4 and the 5. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left. For numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this area for number 4. And the final two numbers in this S construction for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. It's weekend. Bye-bye for now.